If you think your home's value only depends on the market, you're already making a costly mistake. There are things homeowners do every single day that quietly chip away at their home's value, and most don't even realize it until it's too late. So I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I'm breaking down 10 things that secretly destroy your home's value. Let's go ahead and dive into it. So the first one is neglecting basic maintenance. I see this often when I'm asked to sell a home. I've seen like small issues that could potentially become big, like peeling paint, a leaky roof, cracked concrete. Buyers see these and assume that everything else in your home has been neglected. And when buyers assume risk, they lower their offers, okay? Second one is over personalizing your home. So that bold paint color or highly customized space might mean something to you, which is understandable, but to buyers, it's just work. They're thinking, oh, I have to make a change, and I don't want to do that, okay? So the more the home feels, the harder it is for buyers to picture themselves living there. So that can hurt, okay? Next one is ignoring curb appeal. So buyers judge your home before they even go inside your home. I've shown homes to buyers, and I've had it multiple times where they see the outside and they don't even want to go inside because the curb appeal was so bad. Okay, if the outside looks rough, many won't even go in, okay? Or they won't make the effort to see the inside of the home. Number 4, cheap or do-it-yourself DIY repairs that have gone wrong. There's a difference between saving money and costing yourself money. Bad do-it-yourself work stands out immediately and signals poor quality throughout the house. So you want to watch out for that, okay? Number 5, outdated kitchens and bathrooms. These are the two most important rooms in a home that you should focus on. Buyers care about these rooms the most, okay? So if they feel outdated, buyers mentally subtract tens of thousands of dollars, even if everything else is fine in the home, okay? Number 6, letting clutter take over. Clutter makes your home feel smaller, darker, and less valuable. It also distracts buyers from what actually matters, okay, and what they want. Closets that are too full, rooms that have too much furniture in it, okay, that can be a sign of clutter, okay? Number 7, ignoring odors. So this one kills deals fast. I've shown homes to buyers where there are pet smells and just nasty smells, and it's just a turnoff. Buyers want to leave the home immediately. So like even smoke, smell, mildew, buyers may not say it, although in my experience they will. But it immediately changes how they feel about the home, okay? Number 8, poor lighting. So poor lighting, that contributes to buyers not being interested or seeing a home as feeling smaller because of the dimly lit rooms, okay? And they're less inviting. Have you ever been to a newly built home and you've seen that even during the day, the builder has every light on in the home, or the builder's rep? They have every light on in the home. All the bulbs work, they're maxed out, right? If a light fixture can take a 100-watt bulb, put a 100-watt bulb in there. Dark homes feel smaller and less inviting. Lighting is one of the easiest and cheapest upgrades, I might add, but ignoring it can cost you thousands of dollars. Number 9, pricing based on emotion. So emotion can happen when you're looking at selling a home as well as buying a home, okay? But this is one of the biggest mistakes that sellers make. Your memories, unfortunately, don't add value to your home. And if you overprice your home because of those memories, you can destroy your home's market position. The longer your home sits on the market, the worse it gets. And the last one is ignoring the neighborhood. You can't control everything, right, around you. Sometimes new shopping plazas come in that of an empty field that was by your home has now sold, and they're putting in stores or drive-through, or whatever it is, okay? If your property looks worse than knows around it, it drags your value down. So depending on where you're at in your neighborhood, or another side of this is your home looks worse than other homes that are on the market, okay? Now, if it stands out in a good way, your value will go up, okay? So keep that in mind. So here's the bottom line, right? Your home's value isn't just determined when you sell it. It's shaped by the decisions you have made while you've owned it, okay? Even if you're thinking about selling or just want to protect your value, your investment, make sure you're not making these mistakes. So these are 10 things that you're quietly doing, although some of them could be loud, but basically these are the 10 signs that destroy your home's value. So share your thoughts in the comments, and I invite you to watch all my other videos. Thank you.